Gardening has always been a rewarding hobby, but in 2025, it's more popular than ever. With more people spending time at home, the backyard has become a sanctuary, a place to unwind and reconnect with nature. The joy of planting seeds and watching them grow into beautiful plants is unparalleled. It's not just about aesthetics, it's about creating a space that nurtures the soul. Imagine transforming your backyard into a lush paradise. Picture a space where every corner is filled with life and color, where the air is fragrant with the scent of blooming flowers, and where you can escape the hustle and bustle of daily life. A garden is more than just a collection of plants. It's a personal retreat, a place where you can find peace and tranquility. Picture vibrant blooms, delicious homegrown vegetables, and the soothing sounds of nature. Imagine walking through your garden, picking fresh tomatoes for your salad, or enjoying the sight of butterflies fluttering around your flowers. The garden is a living, breathing space that offers endless rewards. This year, gardening is all about sustainability, innovative techniques, and creating spaces that bring joy to the entire family, including our beloved pets. From composting to rainwater harvesting, sustainable practices are at the forefront of gardening trends. Innovative techniques like vertical gardening and hydroponics are making it easier than ever to grow your own food, even in small spaces. Let's explore the hottest gardening trends of 2025 that will inspire you to grab your gardening gloves and get started. Whether it's creating a pollinator-friendly garden to attract bees and butterflies, or experimenting with new plant varieties, there's always something new to try. Gardening is a journey of discovery, and each season brings new opportunities to learn and grow. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting, these trends offer something for everyone. Experienced gardeners can experiment with advanced techniques and rare plant species, while beginners can start with easy-to-grow plants and simple projects. Gardening is a hobby that grows with you, offering new challenges and rewards at every stage. Get ready to unearth your inner gardener and create a backyard oasis you'll cherish. With a little effort and creativity, you can transform your outdoor space into a haven of beauty and serenity. So roll up your sleeves, dig into the soil, and let your garden dreams take root. Your backyard paradise awaits. The year 2025 welcomes a wave of exciting gardening trends. Sustainability takes center stage as gardeners embrace eco-conscious practices. Pet-friendly designs ensure our furry companions can enjoy the garden safely. Vertical gardening is gaining momentum, maximizing space and adding a touch of greenery to urban dwellings. Smart technology also makes its way into our gardens, with automated irrigation systems and sensor-based monitoring. These trends reflect a growing desire to connect with nature, live sustainably, and create harmonious spaces for both humans and animals. Our pets are cherished members of the family, bringing joy, companionship, and endless entertainment into our lives. It's only natural that we want to create outdoor spaces where they can safely enjoy the fresh air and sunshine. Pet-friendly gardening is all about creating a harmonious environment that caters to both our plant and animal companions. This means considering their needs and behaviors while planning your garden layout. Start by selecting non-toxic plants that won't harm your furry friends if nibbled. Many common garden plants can be toxic to pets, so it's important to do your research. Some safe options include catnip, which cats absolutely adore, sunflowers, which are not only safe but also add a cheerful splash of color, and zinnias, which are both beautiful and pet-friendly. Designate specific areas for pet-friendly plants, keeping them separate from potentially harmful varieties. This helps ensure that your pets can roam freely without the risk of encountering something dangerous. Create shaded areas where pets can cool off on warm days. Shade is crucial for preventing overheating, especially for pets with thick fur coats. Additionally, provide fresh water sources throughout the garden. A water fountain or a simple bowl of clean water can keep your pets hydrated and happy. With a bit of planning and thoughtful design, your garden can become a true haven for both you and your furry friends. Not only will it be a beautiful space to enjoy, but it will also be a safe and welcoming environment for your pets to explore and play. So, roll up your sleeves, get planting, and watch as your garden transforms into a pet-friendly paradise. Sustainability is no longer a trend, but a necessity, and gardening offers a fantastic opportunity to embrace eco-conscious practices. One way to reduce water usage is by choosing drought-resistant plants like lavender, succulents, and Russian sage. These plants have adapted to thrive in arid conditions, requiring less frequent watering. Composting is another fantastic way to reduce waste and provide your plants with nutrient-rich fertilizer. Start a compost bin using kitchen scraps, yard waste, and other organic materials. By adopting sustainable practices, you can minimize your environmental impact while enjoying a thriving garden. Section 5. Reaching new heights with vertical gardening. Vertical gardening is an innovative solution for those with limited space. Whether you have a small balcony or a sprawling backyard, vertical gardens add a touch of greenery and maximize your growing area. Living walls, tiered planters, and hanging baskets are all excellent options for vertical gardening. Choose climbing plants like ivy, clematis, or morning glories to create a stunning visual display. Vertical gardens not only save space, but also improve air quality and provide insulation, making them an eco-friendly and stylish addition to any home. Section 6. Beginner's Guide to Gardening Success. Starting a garden can feel overwhelming for beginners, but it doesn't have to be. Begin by selecting easy-to-grow plants that are known for their hardiness. Tomatoes, lettuce, and peppers are excellent choices for novice gardeners. These plants are relatively low maintenance and provide a rewarding harvest. Invest in a few essential tools, such as a hand trowel, gardening gloves, and a watering can. Start small, gradually expanding your garden as you gain experience and confidence. Remember, gardening is a journey of learning and experimentation, so don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. Section 7. Essential tools for the modern gardener. Having the right tools can make all the difference in your gardening endeavors. For efficient weeding, a stand-up weeder is a backsaver. This handy tool allows you to remove weeds without bending over, making the task much easier on your body. A garden kneeler provides a cushioned surface for kneeling while tending to your plants. For pruning and shaping, a good pair of pruning shears is essential. Look for bypass pruners, which make clean cuts that promote plant health. With these essential tools, you'll be well equipped to tackle any gardening task. Section 8. Cultivating little green thumbs. Gardening with kids. Gardening is a wonderful activity to share with children, fostering a love for nature and teaching them valuable life skills. Involve kids in every step of the process, from selecting seeds to harvesting the fruits of their labor. Choose fast-growing plants like sunflowers, radishes, and beans to keep children engaged. Provide them with their own set of child-sized gardening tools, such as a small trowel, a watering can, and gardening gloves. Gardening together creates lasting memories and instills a sense of responsibility and accomplishment in young minds. Section 9. Unearth your inner gardener. As we've explored the exciting world of gardening trends in 2025, one thing is clear. Gardening is more than just a hobby. It's a way of life. It's a journey that takes you from the first seed you plant to the vibrant blooms that brighten your day. Gardening is an art form, a therapeutic escape, and a sustainable practice that benefits both you and the environment. It's about connecting with nature, creating beautiful spaces, and nurturing life. Whether you're embracing sustainability, designing a pet-friendly haven, or simply finding solace in the quiet moments spent among your plants, gardening offers something for everyone. Imagine the joy of harvesting your own vegetables, the satisfaction of seeing your flowers in full bloom, and the peace that comes from a well-tended garden. For those embarking on their first gardening adventure, the journey can be both exciting and a bit daunting. But fear not, with the right tools and a bit of knowledge, anyone can become a successful gardener. Start small, perhaps with a few potted plants or a small herb garden, and gradually expand as you gain confidence and experience. There's something truly magical about watching your efforts blossom. The transformation from a tiny seed to a flourishing plant is a testament to your care and dedication. Each bloom, each new leaf is a reward for your hard work and patience. It's a reminder of the beauty and resilience of nature and of your own ability to nurture and create. So embrace the trends, gather your tools, and unearth your inner gardener. Whether you're drawn to the latest gardening gadgets, interested in sustainable practices, or simply looking to create a beautiful space to relax and unwind, there's a world of possibilities waiting for you. Transform your backyard into a paradise that nourishes your soul and brings joy to all who enter. Happy gardening. Let your garden be a reflection of your creativity, your love for nature, and your commitment to a greener, more beautiful world.